listen, on Voyager, you still got strength to the upside, partner. I'm not saying it's not, but this is something to consider for the next time. If we look at this, let me pull this up on the big screen. But yeah, good job. I always at least will collect in those ranges because then you're looking at a pullback, right? So if we look at the average true range on that, it's about a 0.09, so maybe 10 cents, right? We know that's a collection area, but that's not a fully get out area, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
For sure.
Yeah. So this still has a lot of room to go. Obviously, this is the channel coming down to here, this 1080, as you can see this channel. So for me, I collect, right? You can do the 50, 20, 20, 10, or you can take half off. You could take 70, you could take 80%, whatever. And then I still allow this little bit here. Or if you're planning on scalping it, you could get all the way out, wait for a break a new high, then get in, right? So it's however you want to look at doing it. And if you have a cash account versus an unlimited trading account, et cetera, and so forth.
Coach, you think it's still a good thing to scalp when it's like moving so slowly, like it doesn't have that much volume?
Well, it's not as good with not as much volume, right? But as long as it stays up high, you're still golden. Now, obviously, this is starting to get to a critical level of 1080, right? This is where
I got you. Thank you.
yeah, yep. But this is the level, right? Like if it's gonna bounce, it's gonna happen in here. If not, you're gonna get a pullback to either this 1072 or we're coming all the way back down here to at least 1060. But this is still a good range for VYGR. That doesn't spell absolute disaster yet.